What's good, YouTube and Underground family? It's your boy Nugget back again with another video for you guys. And today we have something special for you. Today we have an unboxing of the GTR r33 from Kaido House. It's from Mini GT. It's a pretty cool company. I have one other a car that I got from it. It's a Fairlady Z 280Z from Kaido House as well. The work that they put in on these cars is amazing. Like the detail, the level of detail that they put on these, and the fact that they also follow car culture very well is really cool for me. Like, I just haven't found anything else that comes close for the price. Like, I paid, I think, like about $20 for one of these. Like for this one it was I think 22 or some change. But without further ado, let's try to get this thing open. But compared to Hot Wheels with their RLCs and their premium lines, like, it makes them look really bad, bro. The detail on these is just so good. Okay, let's see. Let's see here. Wow, it says Skyline on the side of the box. Get out. Let's see here. The whole unboxing experience is pretty sick. Wow. It says car culture for all scales. Like, you see what I mean? Like, they just really follow car culture. Oh, there it is. Try to do this carefully. I don't want to drop it or anything. Oh no. Careful, careful, careful. Wow, there it is. This is a limited edition blue that they were saying. I'm gonna be careful with the mirrors. Wow. See if I can get the camera to focus. Wow, those rims are so deep. It's the Workmeisters. I don't know if you guys could see that. Let me see if I can get it to focus. Yeah, it's the Workmeisters. Wow. Super cool. It's got the Gritty on the side with the work livery. See with that booty. Dude, it's got a cool like sticker on the back. Wow. Really, really cool. We got the GTR on the wing, the little mini one. Really happy they got that detail. Wow. Nissan across the front. Really cool oil slick bottom. Hell yeah, bro. I love that oil slick. Let me see if I can get the hood open. There we go. Oh wow, bro. That's so sick. Bro. The detail, I'm telling you, compared to Hot Wheels, their RLC line and stuff, there's no comparing, man. Like, for what you pay for, everything, like, the difference is night and day. And the style is like on point. Yeah, really love this one. This is a really cool one. I'm really happy that I got this one and added it to the collection. I'm such a Nissan fanboy. You guys already know that though. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for this unboxing. If you haven't seen some of our other car meet video stuff, like, we have some really cool car meet stuff and a little bit of skateboarding things as well. So if you get bored, check it out. But until next time, stay safe. Hope you find a treasure. Peace.